I set up one n8n workflow about a month ago. It made 3 chaos and runs 24/7 without me. n8n is an AI agent builder. It connects 400 plus apps, automates anything. Most people I know have never heard of it. One agent runs the whole funnel, scrapes leads, qualifies them with GPT-4o, sends personalized outreach, then books calls automatically. Zero involvement after setup. Build it inside n8n's visual editor. No code needed. Drop a comment. What business would you automate first? Zapier charges $50 a month for 2,000 tasks. Make.com is $29 for $10,000 ops. n8n Starter is $20 a month, unlimited executions, or self-hosted for free. Honestly, what surprised me the most was how nothing else comes close at this price. Free forever if you self-host. Cloud Starter is $20 a month. Pro is $50 for teams. Enterprise is custom. The free tier alone is enough to launch your first money-making agent. Score 9 out of 10. n8n is the best tool I've found for building real AI income. One catch: day 1 feels rough. Day 3, you'll wonder why you ever used Zapier. If one agent can pull 3Ks a month, tell me below, how many would you run? Link in the description. Subscribe for daily AI tool reviews.